Hello everyone, myself Jonnada Prem Kumar, currently pursuing BTech Computer Science and Engineering in Vishnu Institute of Technology. And in this video, I will explain some important basics of JavaScript, that is variables, arrays, functions, objects and loops. We will go step by step. Let's get started. Firstly, variables. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data. We have three main ways to declare them: var, let and const. Here we use let to declare a variable, that is pname. Here how we declared it: let variable name equal to value. And another way of declaring a variable is using const. Here we declared as const variable name equal to value, const age equal to 25. And a old way of declaring variable using var city is equal to London. Using let, we can be reassigned the value, but using const we can't do that. Var is the old way of declaring variables. We write this line to print the variables using console.log pname age city. Let's see what happens. Here we can see in the output it printed John 25 London. Here how it prints. We use let for values that can change, const for values that stay the same, and var is the older style which we rarely use now. Next we go into arrays. Arrays are lists that can store multiple values in one variable. For example, here we can see we declare fruits using let, like array apple, banana, mango, and we printed fruits of 0 using console.log fruits of 0. And we can push elements into the array, fruits dot push of orange, and we printed the array fruits. Let's see what happens. Here we can see it shows apple as we given fruits of 0, and it shows the whole fruits array. Here we have an array of fruits. We can access them by using index starting from 0. We can also add new items using push, like this. Next we have functions. Functions are blocks of code that perform tasks. They make our code reusable. For example, we can see here I created a function named greet. It returns hello name, the name which we have given here, console.log greet of John. Here it returns hello John. We have two types here, a regular function and the below one is a arrow function. For arrow function we have used const square equal to num arrow num star num, and we have given 5 star 5 which gives 25. These are the two ways to declare a function. Functions help us avoid repeating code. Here we see what happens. Here it shows hello John because we have given John here, and it prints 25. Next we have objects. Objects store data in key value pairs like this: name John, age 25, city London, like this, by using colon between them. Let person equal to key value sets, and we print the objects like this: console.log person.name. We can print whatever we want, like person.age, person.city, like that. And we can add a new property like person.job equal to engineer. It adds a job key engineer value to it, and we print the person object like this. Person have properties like name, age, city. We access them using dot notation, and we can even add new ones. Let's see what happens. Here it shows John as we written person.name, and it shows the whole key value pairs. Next we go to loops. Loop lets us run code multiple times. Let's see for and for of loops. Here we have given array nums 1, 2, 3 and written a for loop initialized I with 0 and I less than nums dot length, and we printed each element in the array by console.log nums of I. Here each iteration the I will be incremented and it prints the element in the array. And another way of repeating loops is for let n of nums. This is also a way of for loop. It is called for of loops, and it prints console log n. The for loop runs until a condition is false. The for of loop is a similar way to loop through arrays. Here we will see what will happen. Here it shows 1, 2, 3 for loop, and again 1, 2, 3 for of loop. That's it for today's video. We learned about variables, arrays, functions, objects and loops in JavaScript. Thank you.